Whoa. It looks like I'm live. And hold on. Looks like OBS stopped responding. Let's see if that's true. Let's see if OBS actually stopped responding. So it says that I am currently live. And it also says, yep, I am live. Okay. Hey, everybody. So I'm trying to make this program to predict text, and I'm having kind of a difficult time, but like not really, but like nah, I am. It's just I don't know, it's just weird. Like I'll show you. Like I'll explain the code and then I'll just go over it. But I'll wait until I get something in here. I don't have anyone in here. It's just me. All right. So basically, open up VS Code and then bring it over here, and then so basically I have this this code here. It's very small, and geez, that was large. Maybe my screen is just small, but yeah, basically it's supposed to predict words. So I have like, some commented out code. I have some non-commented out code. Yeah, this is difficult. Let me open up the live server. I can show the actual thing. So as you can see so far, that's all it does. It's not doing anything else. When it does it, whenever you type anything, it's supposed to. I have an array of 3 words. My goal, let me write this down too, so I can like have a reference to look at. My goal is to start typing, right? And when I type, with every keystroke, it searches the array. And when it searches the array, it's supposed to just compare however many, the length of the word that like however many letters I've typed in so far is supposed to compare that amount to a specific, like that amount of elements. No, that the substring inside of the array for an element, if that makes sense. So like if I type in 2 words, it's supposed to, not 2 words, 2 letters, it's supposed to look through the array, find the first 2 letters of that array, of the word inside of the array. And if it does match, great. Print the whole word on the output side. If it doesn't match, let's go to the next word and try again. Seems simple enough, right? It's not, man. It's not. I don't know why it's not. So, I usually have these on 2 screens. Maybe I can like push this over to the 3rd screen, I guess. And I can just kind of like go over. Whoa, went over too many times. Cause I don't have like a. Yeah, I don't have like a. Yeah, I could just do that. It's not really a problem. All right, so basically, like I said, I have this array just to test it. I have this empty array, which is just the word that we are typing. And then I have temp. I may not need temp, but for right now, I'm using temp to actually, work with the array and stuff. So after that is done, I actually may not need this, but actually I could just start over because what am I really missing out on? Okay, so So you can see I have this like commented out. This is like a needed thing, but I kind of forgot what it does, so I'm gonna uncomment it out. And I'm gonna print both of these with every type just to kind of get myself back on track to understand where I'm at with this. So console log this over here to that, go down. I'm gonna console.log this too. Yeah, that and that. Get rid of that. And I also have im output. Okay, so let me go to the inspection. Let's see that. Hit the console. All right, let me make this bigger. Actually, what happened to OBS? I need to see myself. Oh, great. So, because of that, I'm just gonna keep them both on the same screen so I can see myself too. So, how big should this be? I can see that. So we have the bunch of errors. Reference I is not defined at. Okay, yeah. So I just have this printing out nothing basically. So 0, 0, 1. Let me hit T. See, it prints out T, and then if I hit H, I feel like nothing should come out. No, wait, I just printed H and output H. Oh wait, is this word.join? I don't really need that. I mean, I need it, but not right now. I don't want to put this out to the console yet. So now I just got the substring to worry about. That's getting printed also. Yeah, so as you can see, the substring is not increasing or well, I hard coded the value, so I guess that would make sense. So maybe I can do like let I equal 0, and then also let j equal 0, and then when both of those equal 0, I can like, so like whenever you click this, this is just for like the test right now. I just got rid of the whole word.join thing, didn't I? IJ, and then after that, let's just do I plus plus, and then actually, let's not do that right before we hit the array. I plus plus, and then J plus plus with every keystroke. So now this does not change anything at all. Okay. That's interesting. So I'm lost, man. Like, I'm really lost. Like, I have this here. Had this whole thing going. Don't need this anymore. So okay, I got like all of these words. Temp I is 0, J equals 2. See, so let me just take out word.join. I don't need that. So temp equals array. This is th. Okay, now if I wanted to make this like the first element and then do like the first 4, we would just do 1 and 3, which will make us HO. Wait, 0. Okay. I'm seeing something. I'm seeing a problem that I had in the beginning. I need 3 variables. I need 3 variables. I, J, and I don't know, F, something. Just need something. That's interesting. But this should always be 0. So really I can still use the 2. It's because this should always be 0. So then if I make I the first one, and then this should be the, right? Though. Okay, yeah, because those are next. And then if I make this like 4. Okay, so you guys are like seeing my logic, right? And this is kind of helping me a little bit because, yeah, those, the whole those. So this makes sense. So let me like replay the logic in my head. So if I were to type TH, that would be 0. It would search through the array, and when it hits 0 and 2, because there's 2 characters in there, TH, and that equals that. So it should just print out ARRI, right? But then let's say I type TH A, right, which is like the fourth one, but the third one. I'm going to increment by 1, and I is going to end up being 3. Also, let's print out ARR2. See, where's the Java? Imagine liking Java. Couldn't be me. Okay, so yeah, and then you print out that. So it's making sense when I do it like this. It's making sense, you know? And I'm gonna use this exact logic, and I'm gonna code some fire right now, right? I'm gonna make some progress on this. It's been a couple of days, and I have like a report to write on this. So I'm just trying to get this logic going. So with that being said, I have to go back and I have to think of this. Let's think of that. All right, so substring console.log of that. I++, whatever. Okay, let's just go back to the GUI and just type in THO. I'm going somewhere. I'm still far, but I'm somewhere closer. And I have to pop too, I think. Not pop, but like, because temp goes out of bounds at a certain point, obviously. I need to make it so that, like, if it were to go out of bounds, it can just go back to 0. But I don't think I'm there yet. So what will be next? What is my next move? So far when I start typing, let me refresh this. So far when I start typing, I get nothing. But I get the printed here, which is expected. So when you press a character, so when I press a character, I probably don't need these G++. I mean, I'm probably gonna need them, but not right now. I'm going to, and I don't want to like search the array and then find something and then keep going. So how do I search the array when the condition is met? Then break. While word dot join right does not equal temp substring I dot j, and I have those up here, and j should be 1. So in theory, this should be if t does not equal t. Son, come on, what are you doing? Like, seriously. So if j does not equal t. That's funny. It's really funny because I hate Java. Okay, so in theory, this should be if t does not equal t, because it's on the first one, obviously, which they do equal. We're gonna skip everything inside of that because that means that they do equal. And we're just gonna print out because we're gonna increment to you. We're gonna increment. So that means that we increment I plus plus. So far, we not doing j. We not doing j right now. Let's just increment I. That's it. Keep j 1 because that will take me to different arrays. Yeah, let's do that. Won't I and j equal each other? No, they won't. I don't know. They might actually. We'll see. What was I about to do? M output dot value equals array I, because that'll be wherever it lands. And I have this if statement here that's like supposed to be on the back of that. So while I don't even have the bracket here. So silly of me to not have the brackets. Yep, there we go. And then, else obviously you're going to be hitting backspace and you're just going to pop off of that, I believe. Let's see what I'm getting so far from that. And I just hit shift, I just hit T, shift T, H, E. Let me redo that. I got T, H, E, no, I missed that. E. Okay, it looks like it's going out of bounds again. So it's going out of bounds. That's interesting. Let's focus in on this while loop. What's really going on? So when you hit T, I have like this visual in front of me, like, on my iPad, and just typing everything in. So when you hit T, I'm sorry, when I hit T, did the come up? I missed that. The does come up. That's good. So when you hit T, and the comes up. That means that T equals T. And it goes to the first J in the array. So word.join equals T, and then temp is the dot, and I'm getting a substring 0, 1, which is T. And they equal. And then I go into this, I don't go into the while loop. I Don't go into the while loop. Now when I go again, I'll type H. When I type H, where.join equals TH. And TH is now going to be compared to, you guys ready? This is the big part. When I type TH, where it gets compared to temp 0, no, it actually plus plus. It goes plus plus. When we go out of this array, I equals 0 again. Let's just, oh, not in front of that though. No, not in front of that. Let's do it after this. I equals 0. Then I have TH, and then I have temp, because it's going to go through again. It's going to hit that loop. 0 T, oh my gosh, T H E. It's looking for the, and then the substring 0 J plus plus. Now, when will J hit 0 again is the question. Because I have I plus plus inside of here. I don't think I want I plus. Wait. I do want I plus plus inside of the loop. Wait. Hold on. We gonna get there. We not there yet. We not there yet. I'm thinking too much. So THE, which means that J has to plus plus, but I'm not making it go back afterwards, which means that J now equals 2, which should give me TH. Now I have TH does not equal TH, which is false. So then we do the same thing. We go down and we print array I plus plus. It's going to print the wrong array. It's going to print those right there. So with that being said, that means that I might actually should have an if statement in here. So I should have like another if statement for this. So basically like if this still isn't a thing, I kind of like lost my train of thought, I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, this is for senior seminar. How long ago are y'all like typing these? I'm not getting like no notifications. Oh well. Let me go back to the drawing board. Literally, it's a literal drawing board. Now, I kind of want to start over. So, because I kind of messed up. So, if T equals T does not equal T, which is false, goes out, prints everything. Then TH does not equal TH, which is false, so then it goes out. But this is where I mess up, because I plus plus, I does go forward, which is wrong. We don't want I to go forward. We want I to equal a thing. If we want I to stay the same, if the match is found. So if there's no increment here though, so let's go into like a, nah bruh, like, yeah, let's Wait, okay, hold on. There's a lot going on. I did not graduate yet. Fall 23. And the issue I'm facing is actually okay, so I'm trying to type T and then the shows up, right? That's the first letter that matches. H, and then the is still there because it's still searching, and that's still the first two letters that match. E goes to these, but it's just going to these because it's incrementing. S, and then obviously it's broken after that. So that's the issue I'm facing. It needs to equal what it matches until another character changes the combination of what it matches and then searches the whole array. Not a whole array again, but like just, well, I guess it would be the whole array again. Because I don't know. I'm just trying to get it to work. So I have this thought that like maybe I could do the I++ inside of this while loop. I mean, I would, because it needs to equal this. So kind of like lost where I was. If t equals t, we skip it, and I equals 0. But I wouldn't need I equals 0 because it already equals 0. It's not going to increment. But j needs to increment. Screw it. Let's just make j equal word dot length. Right? That should be the same thing. I thought I had it working for a second, but like I couldn't have. That would have been crazy. Real stuck. So I have I think word.length is good. Let me make this word dot length. Oh man, okay. So you're right. I should use these searching algorithms that I've been taught in college. That would actually make sense. The only problem is I don't know how to do binary search by heart. And I know lost my train of thought again. Nah, you're right though. It would be better. Oh yeah, that was last night. I wasn't even on campus last night. So substring will always equal word.length now. This is never changing. I'm not changing that. So that means I kind of don't need j anymore because this will change every time I code. Every time I start typing in some words, some letters, or whatever. Now, I will change when the first word or the word that is currently on does not match word. kind of hot. Oh, having a brain headache from thinking so much. I've never thought this much before. This isn't even in the if statement. So and that shouldn't have even came out. Actually, I should have just been in like a loop forever. Backspace. J doesn't have anything. Oh, yeah, I messed up. Okay. Oh, I'm not really sure why I went straight to the output. I'm getting nowhere. I don't want to look anything up. You know, the whole goal now, you know, we're trying to be different. It's the whole thing we're trying to do. We're trying to be different. So what am I going to do? Go back to this, and I'm going to make this bigger, and I'm going to try to do my thought process again. I think, I don't know. I shouldn't need to though. So like, I'm burnt out. I can't. Okay. So, yeah. What did I just hit? Did I just type in one somewhere? No. Okay. That's good. That's good. So, thanks for watching this very short live stream. There's a chance I may stream again later. Probably going to delete this one, and probably going to work on this one later also at the same time. Thank you for watching. I'm tired and my head hurts. So thank you for the support.